Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to archive all projects inside of Claude. So if you've already made a decent list of projects, let's say you're working on multiple things, you use this for work, like you are writing a few books or maybe you're doing research on a bunch of topics, archiving all projects can be really useful because it lets you organize what projects are active and which aren't. So to do so is really simple. All we have to do is mouse over the project in question and you're going to see a context menu appear at the top right or the project on your screen. So go ahead and click that and you're going to see a few options. You can start it to put it at the top. You can edit its details like its title and description, and at the bottom is the archive and delete buttons. So if you're archiving old things, this means that they are out of sight and out of mind, but they are still retrievable. They are still saved on your account for future use. So go ahead and click that, and as you can see, it has disappeared, but you should still be able to access it. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.